Morning guys, this is Andrew from Third Coast RC. This morning we're doing something different. It's a nice morning here in Houston. Sun's just about to come up. It's 55 degrees and I got this old plane that I picked up in a trade, and we're going to fly this. It's called the Fly Baby. I think it might have been made by Hobby King, but they do a foam EPO one now, but this one is the actual balsa model. So it's really cool. Got a little pilot in here, a really nice color scheme on this plane. It's got really strong landing gear with these big padded foam tires, and we're going to fly this on a 3S battery, 2200, and it's connected to my DX8 controller. And so yeah, we're going to get this in the air this morning and see how she flies. See you in a minute. Alright, so here we go, flying the Fly Baby. We've not trimmed this plane or anything, so we're going to have to see what it's like when we put it in the air. Watch for these little ant piles here. So let's get this guy in the air. She needs some trimming to the right, so I'm going to do that now. Just going to do a few circles here while she trimmed this plane up. She's quite out of trim, but she's coming to us now. And she needs a little bit of elevator trim. She's climbing a lot. There we go. Well, that was quite a long way off, but to be expected. So this is an easy flyer. Just cruise around. Gentle sports plane. She's starting to fly real nice now. Just a little bit more trimming here. There we go. She's trimmed good now. Sun is starting to rise over there. Beautiful morning. Yeah, nice and easy roll there. Elevator response is good. I haven't changed the dual rates. They're all on 100%. No exponential in the controls here. Just nice and easy. And she's trimmed pretty good for inverted flight. You can see that here. Get a little bit of the nose trying to come down a bit. I'm having to put a little bit of elevator in here, but not very much. But she's flying upside down. Very nice. We'll do a low pass now so we can get a good camera shot here. We'll slow her down. Nice pass there. She's looking great. And we're going to take her out this time and we'll do a loop. Take her around field here. Fly a little bit more speed. Over we go. Cool. Just a nice little sports flying plane. Looks great. The little pilot in there. Kind of like that. Not everybody likes that, but I think it's kind of cool. Both in cars and planes. I mean, a car needs a driver and a plane needs a pilot, right? And another low pass here for the camera. I don't think she's going to do a knife edge, but we'll try. Nah, she doesn't have enough rudder to hold a knife edge. I'm going to do a figure of 8 now. bring around on a invert pass. Hopefully you can see that colour scheme. Beautiful sky over there, look at that, awesome. Best time of day. I'm going to come round and I'm going to do a wide open low pass, as fast as she'll go. It's wide open there. Let's see if she'll do a hammerhead turn. And she will. Round she goes. Look at that, beautiful. So we've got a controller beeping out here. That's our 5 minutes, so we're going to bring her in. See how she lands. And she just caught the grass at the end there, but landed just fine. I came in a little bit hot there, so that's the fly, baby. Maybe she can pick one up online somewhere or on RC groups, something like that. You might find a used one, but it's going to be a fun plane, and we're going to enjoy flying this one. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.